Just want to make a really brief video here today talking about why I personally believe that Wall Street as a whole, or the street in general, hates Palantir, PLTR, right? A very popular retail stock that a lot of individuals are invested in and believe in the long term, very excited about, doesn't seem to be so beloved by Wall Street, right? I want to just talk about a little bit why I believe that's the case and where I kind of see the stock going forwards, but I'll just say personally, I am a long-term investor in Palantir. I like the stock long term. I'm planning to hold long term. I'm not really here to make trades, so full disclosure on that. I like the stock. I've been buying it. Yeah, that's really it in terms of my ownership position. I'm not here to give you advice in any kind of way. You should always do your own due diligence. These are just my personal thoughts and opinions. But why Wall Street hates Palantir, in my opinion, is because they were a directly listed stock, right? A DPO. Most stocks go public with an IPO, initial public offering, right? Instead, they chose to do a DPO, direct public offering, which basically means they directly listed their private company on the exchange to make it public, right? That's the simplest way to put it. Obviously, it's a little bit more complex than that, but what you really need to know is the big dogs, the ones, the banks, institutions that take companies public, especially massive ones like Palantir that are multi-billion-dollar corporations, when they miss out on that and they don't even get offered an opportunity to get in before the public, because think about it, if it's direct public listing, there was no initial public offering, right? That's when hedge funds get in early before it even starts trading. That's how. They don't with direct public listings. So you don't think some of those hedge funds are like $20 a share for Palantir? We wanted 10, like this, we wanted in before, like maybe they're shorting it, maybe, can't prove anything, right? I mean, rocky market conditions, dilution, of course, through compensation of shares because they're compensating a lot of their team members in shares, which I think is okay long term because it gets everybody on board with the mission. But despite that, as a whole, I just think Wall Street hates Palantir stock, and I think now it's trading in the tens. Like, I think that's insane. If you told anybody a year ago, yeah, Palantir is going to be down to $10 a share in early 2022, they would have said you're crazy. And yet here we are. It's like that meme, you know, of stocks, I can go lower. I forget where it's from. It's like, stocks can always go lower. Just when you thought they've gotten their lowest and you bought the dip, guess what? It dips. That's just the way it goes, right? So I see Palantir, anytime it's below $10, my personal opinion is I'm buying as much as I can afford, because I think it's an excellent deal. I think at that point, anything below $10, institutions say, hey, they direct public listed at $10 a share. We got to get in this now that it's below 10. This is below the direct listing price, right? And a lot of them have probably been on the sidelines or really wanting to concentrate their position, or maybe even flip their short position into a long position now that they made money on the way down. Maybe. Now they want to go long, right? Now this is the opportunity, below $10 a share. But that's kind of what I think what's going on with Palantir stock as of late, and why I believe Wall Street hates Palantir stock as a whole in general. But I think, like Tesla, it was very hated on, and it found its course, and Tesla's true value came out. It came out to show over time because it's just a naturally good business, a naturally strong executing business that just worked. And when it works, you can't deny the numbers, the success, right? So if Palantir does have the success that it appears to be having and on track to have, the stock will correct itself at some point. It can't stay this low forever. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my thoughts and opinions. You should go do some due diligence on Palantir right now. If you're going to buy Palantir right after watching this video, you're making a mistake. I'm just a guy rambling. You got to do some due diligence, my friend. Have a great day.